online learning. My name is Christine and today I'll be making Anzac Biscuits. So we'll begin with our dry ingredients. So I have 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of plain flour. So they all go together in a bowl and we give it a good mix. So it's all our dry ingredients in one bowl, giving it a good mix. And we can put it aside for a little bit. And then we start with our wet ingredients. So in this bowl, I have 250 grams of melted butter, to which I will add 4 tablespoons of golden syrup. Make sure we get all of it into the bowl. And then I have 2 teaspoons of bicarb soda, which I will add into 4 tablespoons of hot water. And give it a little bit of a stir. And this also goes into the butter mixture. So it's all put in together. And we give it a good mix to combine all the wet ingredients together, just to make sure they all combine. And after this, we shall add our dry ingredients into the wet. So put them all together, and again we give it a good mix just to make sure the dry ingredients are well folded into the wet ingredients. So now your mixture is all coming together, so we just have to make sure that we have all the dry ingredients mixed properly. And we keep going until we do not see any parts of the flour that is still dry. And it all goes together. We're almost ready with the biscuit mixture. Now this recipe is fairly simple to use, and you can use this to make with children at home as well, here, but with adult supervision. So once the mixture has come together, what we will do is we'll get about roughly 1 tablespoon of the mixture, form it into a ball. You can use 1 hand or 2 hands, and if you're getting children to help you, they can make smaller balls as well. Now put it in the palm of your hands and flatten it slightly. So once you've flattened it, doesn't matter what shape it is, we'll put the biscuit in a baking tray already lined with baking paper. So here I have my baking tray, so in it goes. And then we keep doing this. Form the mixture into a ball, flatten it slightly, and into the palm of your hands. It does not matter what shape you have, and we keep putting it into our tray. So one more to show you, and then once we've done all the mixture, form them into biscuit patties, we just have to make sure we leave some space between the tray, between the biscuits in the tray, so that when they're rising, they're not touching each other. And we keep doing this until we finish all the mixture and have turned them into a biscuit patty. Now our biscuits are ready to go into the oven. We will put it into the oven at 160 degrees for 20 minutes.
Hi, I'm working in kitchen here in Jigsaw Childcare.
Our biscuits are ready to go into the oven, so I'll hand it over to Juan and she'll put it in the oven for us. Just a reminder for children, make sure parents are with you, and we need adult supervision when we are cooking. So here we go, Juan. And it goes into the oven for 20 minutes at 160 degrees.
Yeah.
We'll come and have a look after 20 minutes. Thank you. Okay, now biscuits are ready, and we'll get Juan to get them out of the oven for us. Thank you, Juan. And we just have to remember the tray is very hot, so please be very careful when you're handling it. Our Anzac biscuits are ready and they look golden brown, and I'm pretty sure they'll be yummy too. So now you can try this recipe at home. Happy cooking, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.